Welcome to our course. I'm Dartoes. I'm excited to guide you through this learning journey. My goal is to make the content as clear and concise as possible while highlighting important details and providing you with multiple ways of approaching the material. In this chapter, we will begin by discussing how to get started with Word. If you haven't used Word before, no worries. I'll guide you through it step by step. All right. So let's let's begin. First of all, click the start button in opening Word. Now over here there are two different ways, or will I even say three different ways you can open Word. You can either open Word by just typing Word and clicking on it, or you can click the start button, then scroll down till you find Word. Upon finding Word, a single click will open it. Now you'll be greeted with a screen with a good evening greeting. Over here you have different varieties of documents to work with, but since you are still new to this whole course, let's start by clicking on blank document. After clicking on a blank document, you'll be greeted with a second screen. This is a screen where all the magic happens. In order not to make this course overwhelming, I'll pause here, and in the next video I shall discuss with you all these tools and what they are used for. We are going to take every single tool and we'll peruse into it and see how it is used for. So see you in the next video.